How to change the language in Google Chrome to English. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you'll find 3 dots. That's the menu button. Click on it to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, scroll down and find Settings. Click on it to access the Chrome settings page. Once you're in the settings page, keep scrolling until you find the Languages section. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to set Chrome back to English. To add English, click on Add Languages. Move down and find English United Kingdom. Click here to add. After adding English, you'll see it in the list of languages. Drag the English language to the top of the list to set it as the default language. Once you've moved English to the top, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser to apply the changes. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to change the language in Google Chrome to English. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Chrome tips, and let me know in the comments if there are any other Chrome-related topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.